Alright, today we have the BlackBerry torch, and we're going to be reviewing it. Let's get started. Alright, here we have the BlackBerry torch. You can see a nice slim design, and compared to the iPhone, well, my cracked iPhone, it is roughly the same size. A little bit smaller actually. However, it is thicker. Now, first off, it is a sliding keyboard. It has a sliding keyboard, and that is a really nice feature because texting on touchscreens just isn't for everyone, and it's not for me. This is the phone I'm currently using right now. Let's get into some of the features. First off, if we go into our password lock, and we click on here, you can see we have the unlock button. If you click the unlock button, you're going to go to your on-screen keyboard. However, if you are, let me just go back. However, if you open this up and you see unlock, if you want to use the regular keyboard, when you open it up, it automatically goes to the unlock feature. And I really like this. I really like this feature. It just makes it much quicker. Now let me get in real quick. My password is my name. Really creative, I know, but that's alright. Alright, now some of the nice features about this. First off, the texting. It's very similar to the iPhone, as you can see. Let me just open one of my messages here. You have just me, then the person you're talking to, then me. It's very easy to understand. However, there are a few issues. Sometimes when I click this, when I'm texting someone, it's going to start up at the top, and I have to scroll all the way down to see what they're saying. I'm not sure why that is, but that is okay. Not too big of an issue. Next, the internet. It's quite fast actually. Let me just go to Wikipedia. How do you spell this? Where's the P? Dia. Alright, now the what is it called? The T9 of this is pretty good, in my opinion. I never have many issues. Wikipedia.com, go. You can see this is on Wi-Fi right now, and it loads fairly well. My Wi-Fi isn't too good anyway, and we can use the same touch controls. Oop, they don't always work as well as the iPhone. That is one feature I dislike. But as you can see here, you just click on the text box. You can type in whatever you want, and that's pretty good for the internet. Now, neither this BlackBerry nor the iPhone have Flash, and that's a kind of a big issue. However, this means you can't play YouTube videos, I believe, and because you need a Flash player. However, on the BlackBerry, you have a media button, and YouTube, you have to actually do the YouTube player to be able to watch YouTube videos. It's a separate thing, but it works well. However, videos, sites like MetaCafe and other ones, you might not be able to see them. Now, the picture, the camera mode, let me go to that real quick. There's an easy button on the side. I believe you can customize this. Now, I'm not sure how I'm going to show this to you. Maybe that works. Alright, I'm not sure that's too good, but either way, all I'm showing you is that the camera is actually fairly nice on this. The one problem I do have with the camera is that it makes a sound, and you can't stop that. You can't stop the sound for some reason. There's the sound, and when it's on flash, it takes quite a bit to take the picture. Actually, maybe 3 seconds. So, but if you take off flash, then it goes right away. But there's the sound, you can't disable that, and that is quite annoying. What else we have? App World. This is just all of the apps. Let's let that load up. It's definitely not as good as the Apple Store, or the the Apple Store. I'm not sure what it's called. But it's okay. Oops, I just closed out of it. You know, there are some free apps, some paid apps, but you have to use a credit card for any of the apps, so that's kind of an issue. I mean, I really like the fact that you can use, you know, an iTunes card on the iPhone, but that's not really too big of an issue. Games, for anyone who cares, there's 4 already installed and you can buy more. You got plenty of applications. This is a business phone, so you have Word to Go, Slideshow, and Excel, and you know, plenty of other things on here. I don't use those. One other great thing about the where is it? It's called BlackBerry Messenger. I can't find it. Here it is. Now what this is, anyone who has a BlackBerry, you can sign them up, or you both have to sign up on this BlackBerry Messenger, and you pretty much send instant messaging to each other, and it is free of charge, so no data required. The thing that I really like the most about this is the email. If you go to your messages, you see all your emails, and Facebook. Yeah, I have Facebook connected to my email, but just all in a row. It works great. This is one of my favorite features about the phone, actually. Now the battery life. The battery life is quite good. It lasts for probably 2 days running just basic texting, calling, before I have to charge it again. And then when I'm on the internet a lot, it runs out right at the end of the day, so it works perfect for me. Now the user interface on this is a little bit different because it is a touchscreen. I believe this is the first BlackBerry touchscreen. However, you have this, what do I call it? You have this application bar that you can have it all the way up, have 4 applications showing. You can have 3 applications showing, 2, 1, and even 0 if you would like. I usually keep it at 2 to have everything I need. And then also, if you scroll on this, you can get your favorites, your media, downloads, some other stuff, frequent, and that's about all. Now the call quality on this device is fairly decent. I never have any issues, and people on the other line never report any issues, so that's good. The one feature that I do think is missing on this is a stopwatch. Now they do have a clock, and you can set your alarm just by clicking on it. I don't want mine on. And then this is just a timer. When you plug it in, this is the default screensaver. And last but not least, I want to talk about the screen itself. It is very durable. Mine has a few scratches on it, but I've had it for more than a year now. Maybe a little less than a year. But yeah, it's a really nice screen. It is not like an iPhone, and it does not crack like this. This just made me mad when this cracked. My overall thoughts of this device, it's a really nice phone. This is one of my favorite phones. I do prefer the iPhone, just because of the screen sensitivity is not always up to par, and the messaging, I always get that where it's not always at the bottom of the messages, so I have to scroll down. However, the things I definitely do like about it is the messaging, the email messaging, and I like the overall user interface of this better than the iPhone. But yeah, that's about all for this review, and yeah. Alright, I hope you liked the video. If you did, share your feedback in the comments below, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.